All right, last minute trip, going off to Rough Creek where we usually camp. Little change. We're taking the FJ, the Supercharged FJ Cruiser. Um, yeah, it looks like it's gonna be storming. Don't really have anything like fixed in this FJ Cruiser. What I mean is like, I don't have like a set awning. I don't have like battery system or anything like that. It is a really built up FJ Cruiser, but I don't have kind of my things like in my Gladiator. And I've never really taken this vehicle out like that. So we're gonna see how it does. I got a cooler with ice, no fridge. I got, yeah, so we're about to see what it does. Let's check it out. And there's like a Ford Bronco. I don't know if you can see it. All right, so I'm getting towards camp, about an hour away. It pretty much goes through this town called Ducktown, and we're going through this powerhouse station. I'll show you a video of that. But it's kind of been raining, so there's like a nice mist like in the edges of the trees. So Toyota's doing its thing. Seats are kind of uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not really a fan. And then I see what people are talking about visibility wise. Like I kind of, like as people were driving around me, it some of the visibility is like not that great. But then again, it's gonna be fun. I got a cooler, no fridge. I got a ground tent. So it's gonna be kind of just, you know, nothing fancy, just good old camping. So here we're pulling in, and this is the powerhouse station. And there's like some nice views here. All right, so this is camp. This is Brent Roberts right here. So we're just a couple turds out here, a couple TRDs. But no, this Tacoma has got built up. I'll show you guys in the morning. It's pretty sweet. It's he literally like has everything you could think of on it. So I'll show you guys in the morning. Old Tuckaroo. Well, if you're interested in eating anything, I got some food here. If not, it's okay. I'm gonna go through through Tumbling Creek. Have you ever had any quinoa? The old tuck job. That would have been perfect this morning. The old tuckaroo. Hey, so this is my buddy here, and he just built, like, I would say the ultimate Tacoma, because it's really well built. Like, he's gone through a couple vehicles, so he knows exactly what he wants, and he pretty much put it together with the help he'll tell us to shop, and luckily he was able to find, like, the pieces for this are kind of hard to find, so it's like you have to put a lot of planning and work behind it. So we'll walk through it. This is my buddy Brent, and we'll go through his rig. So here, Brent, show us the engine, or tell us a year, make, and model.
It's a 2021 Tacoma TRD off-road.
So it's not the TRD Pro, it's the off-road.
Yeah, it's the off-road.
And just so people like kind of maybe want to follow your logic, like why did you go TRD off-road instead of the Pro?
To get the, over a Pro.
Like why?
Really just price point. I'm going to take all the stuff off anyway. It's all the suspension.
That's a good point.
You know, there's no need in buying something you're going to just remove.
So if you got to see inside, I'll let you tell me about this here.
So it's got a dual battery system, as you can see, with a red arc solar controller, twin compressor to run the front locker and air up the tires, Switch Pro, all wired in to all the lights,
Blue Seal,
the compressor,
manifold.
Lots of Blue Sea stuff. And there's the manifold for the front locker.
Look, he's even got the quick chuck thing.
Yeah, and there's the chuck for the air to air the tires up. Some ball design light bar.
Oh, show me the lights. That was really cool.
The
for inside the cab. Oh, didn't you just switch it from?
Headlight?
Yeah, that was pretty sweet. Oh wow. So he Wilson Performance Off-Road. I'll tag the phone number there, but he's near Chattanooga.
Yeah, he's in Dayton, Tennessee.
Dayton, Tennessee.
Close to Chattanooga, not far.
Yeah. And what kind of bumper is this?
Southern style off-road front bumper.
Southern style off-road.
And a bent rear bumper, and it's got RCI skid plates and rock sliders and the stealth wheels.
With the tire size, what tire size?
34s.
34s.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And it's got the Deaver springs in the rear, the Expedition springs for the extra weight.
Gotcha. The shocks you went with King. Do they have like a? They didn't have the dial-in.
No, I didn't get the double dial-in.
To me, I think that's like kind of gimmicky.
I probably wouldn't mess with that anyway.
Yeah. But here, let's go. Well, let's stay in the cab. If you hop around over, enter the driver's side, I'll go in through the other side, and you tell me what you got going on, and then we'll go to the fridge. Well, look how clean this is. And you were telling me about the radio.
It's got the radio, GMRS radio behind the dash, and you just, it's already.
Oh, so the unit is like
the
inside.
unit's back there.
Oh, wow.
So you just plug that cord in and.
Oh, I thought like this was a unit, but there's an actual.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, now I get what you were saying yesterday. He had to take the whole thing apart.
Mm-hmm. So that's pretty cool.
It's got RAM mounts for his phone. Is this is like for the
Expedition Essentials, I think is what they're called. Yeah, Expedition Essentials.
That's pretty cool. And then it had a spot for USB.
2 USB ports.
Wow. Here, and I'm gonna show you his fridge. He's got he did a goose gear delete, full rear delete. So he's got the This is the what size fridge?
45.
45.
Mm-hmm.
And
it just slides out from the.
Yeah, it's sweet with the goose gear.
And then it locks right there, and you just.
And I think we realized early on it's like having those Yeti coolers or something like that.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
to deal with the ice.
Like the Yeti cooler may be bigger than this, but you're filling it halfway with ice, right?
You see how much room there is back here now?
Yeah. I'm gonna open it. Leave this open like that. Oh, these rock sliders were custom too. Yeah, there's tons of room back here.
It really opens it up.
And it's got a 12 volt for the fridge there. Yeah. So tell me the story behind the Go Fast, like, because everywhere right now it's like hard to come across stuff.
Right, there's a long way. I just got lucky. A guy posted one on the internet, and I pretty much within an hour drove to Nashville. And
you got to do that sometimes when you see a good deal.
I just told him I'm on my way. So that way he had a lot of accessories with it too, and I've been happy with it so far. So it's got lots of lights back here too, like these little red lights for bugs.
That's badass.
And it's on a dimmer where I can, make them however bright or dim. And then I got the white lights as well on a dimmer switch.
God damn.
And then you can just turn them all on if you want.
Party.
Yeah. But it really.
It's got a molly pin on the back with his high lift jack, his crazy beaver.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah. And you had the 100 series, and having the truck bed you enjoy because he likes making big fires. So he's got his steel chainsaw. He cuts it up, throws it back here. I'm gonna hop up, and can I push it up and can I go in through here?
Oh, yeah, you can do that.
I won't mess around too much.
Well, actually, I think I've got a lot of stuff in the way. Move that pan, whichever, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Sure.
So let's see. Whoa. He's got his Go Fast booby trap. Oh wow.
But you see that switch in the corner? That's the switch to turn those lights on. It'll be like a little switch just sticking up from that cushion. You see it in the very.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, just turn that. Yeah, there you go.
Whoa.
And it's on a dimmer as well.
So it goes up and down. That's crazy. So this is the inside of a Go Fast camper. Do they make like wider ones, or is this just the normal one that they make?
That's the normal one.
Oh, okay. So that's really badass. So yeah, you can stand up in here like. Yeah, this shit's badass. Let's slide this back.
Yeah, there you go. What you do, actually flip it back up and make it where that handle's coming through. Oh. Yeah, there you go.
There's one here. Yeah. Here's the other one.
And then you sort of...
Like that?
Yeah, I think that's good. Oh. Yeah.
And then, let's just do this bumper real quick.
Oh, and it also has the gearing, and it's got 529s with an ARB front
locker.
Mm-hmm.
Because the TRD off-road comes with the rear locker.
Right.
The A-track?
No, you get the crawl control.
Crawl control.
So rear locker, and then I added the front locker.
And then, so this, who made this bumper? Banff.
BAMF, Banff.
If you want to do it right from the get-go, just if you have a Tacoma, go with this, because you could put a table here. I mean, I think he's got some accessories coming in, but these latches are super clean. Like they're like door style latches, like actual.
Yeah, you just close it, and then.
Yeah, that's better. And then here, he's got where he can do his 2-inch receiver. And yeah, this thing is freaking sweet. Did you do any skids or anything like?
Oh, it's got the U-bolt flip kit, and it's got skid plates. Yeah, it's got all the skid plates under it.
And so what kind of vehicles have you built before, like that you knew exactly what you wanted for this?
Mainly from my 100 series Land Cruiser. You know, camping with it, I kind of realized what I wanted to do with this one.
Because maybe if I have some footage of the 100 series, I'll throw it in here. But that thing was also pretty built up. He had it dialed in. He still has it.
I still have it.
So yeah, I mean, Brent knew exactly what he wanted, so he built it. Like not cutting any corners, just going for what he wanted right from the get-go. And and I think you have the awning coming in too, right?
Yeah, it'll be here at the end of August. The Kinsman awning, it's
That
270.
you could do like pull-ups from.
Yeah, it's pretty strong. It's pretty sweet awning. Can't wait to get it.
Cool. So thanks for showing that, Brent, and I'm pretty sure we'll be hitting the trail soon.
All right.